Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this Granite Crystal Metallic Clearcoat 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. This Dodge Grand Caravan was well maintained, 0 accidents reported, and this is the SXT trim. This Dodge Grand Caravan also has an easy accessible trunk with stow and go seats. It comes with heated seats, leather seats, power sliding doors, power liftgate, reverse camera, Bluetooth, and remote start. It comes with a leather steering wheel, AM, FM, and satellite radio, also with a lot of room to put storage in your center console. In the back of this van has a automatic sliding door with 5 leather seats that can be easily folded down for lots of storage in the back. There is also a DVD entertainment system in the back of this Dodge Grand Caravan. If you want to book a test drive or even come look at this Dodge Grand Caravan, give us a call at Maclin Ford. Thank you very much and have a good day.